Ever wished you could create voiceovers that sound just like you without recording every single word? Descript Overdub feature makes this possible by letting you clone your own voice. This powerful tool helps you generate realistic voiceovers quickly and fix mistakes in seconds, saving you time and effort. To get started, open Descript and find the Overdub tab in the sidebar. Click Create Overdub Voice to begin. You'll first be asked to record a consent statement. This step protects your voice and ensures ethical use. Next, record your voice training data by reading the provided script clearly and naturally. Aim for at least 10 minutes of speech to help Descript build an accurate voice model. After recording, submit your audio and wait a few hours while Descript processes your voice. Once your overdub voice is ready, you can use it in any project. Just type the text you want into the script editor, select your overdub voice, and Descript will generate audio that sounds like you. For the best results, listen carefully to the generated audio and make small text adjustments if needed. With Overdub, you can effortlessly create professional voiceovers, correct errors, or add new lines, all using your own voice without extra recording sessions. This feature truly streamlines your editing workflow and enhances your creative control.